In this video, we're going to learn how to solve problems involving fractions, decimals, and approximation for your WASSCE Maths. So we're going to solve with 10 repeated questions for this topic. After going through this video, you'll be in a better position to tackle basically any problem you meet under fractions, decimals, and approximations for your WASSCE or your Maths. Okay, so let's get started. The first question I have here is under fraction. It says evaluate correct to the nearest whole number. So guys, for this question is under BODMAS. Okay, so I'm sure most of you know this acronym in maths, BODMAS. Alright, so basically when you take everything we have here and put it on this calculator, you're going to get the wrong result. So don't go through that method. You have to simplify this using BODMAS before you can complete it using the calculator. So from this BODMAS, we have the big, which is a bracket. That means we need to simplify what we have in the bracket. So in the bracket, we have 2 whole number 1 over 2 plus 3, which is equals to 5 whole number 1 over 2. So let's put everything in improper fraction. So we now have 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 1, that's 15 over 2 minus 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1, that's 11 over 2. Okay, divide 33 over 2. So after the bracket, the next alphabet is the which is division. So let's take care of these ones. So in maths, you need to change this to multiplication and invert what you have here. So this will be 11 over 2 times 2 over 33. So we have 1 over 3. So let's bring it to this place. Now it will be 15 over 2 minus 1 over 3. So at this juncture, you can use the calculator to simplify your work. So we have 15 over 2, okay, minus 1 over 3. Press equal to, put this in decimal, 7.16. So 7.16, the nearest whole number is something as 7. So right option to this question is option D. It's as simple as this. So feel free to check what I told you guys initially. Try to input these values exactly on this calculator and see if you're going to have 7 as answer. I know that you won't get 7 as the answer, but just check it to verify. So the right answer to this question is option D. That's it for this question 1. Let's wipe this and solve the next question. Okay, very interesting. So we're making progress. Remove this. So question 2 says approximate this to 3 significant figures. Okay, so let's write down this. We have 0.0033780. So significant figures start from non-zero numbers. So this is a non-zero number. Alright, we are asked to 3 significant figures. So the first significant figure, this is the second one, this is the third one. So this one, this 8 following after 7 is up to 5. So you round it off as 1 and put in this 7. This 7 will now be 8. So the right answer to this question will be 0.00338. Okay, which is option C. That's the right option. It's as simple as this, guys. So let's wipe this now and solve the next repeated question. Alright, next question will be this one. Express correct to 3 significant figures. 0.0, let me write this down so now we can deal with this guy together. 0.00357 to 3 significant figure. So this is the first significant figure, second one, third one. So guys, pay attention here. This question is unique. Now this 7 is up to 5. When you round it up as 1 and put in this now you change to 10. There's no way you can come and put 10 here in this position. So basically this 10, you are going to round off this 10 we have here as 1, okay, and put it in this 5. So when you do it, your final result will now be 0.00360. Alright, so that will be the answer to this question. The correct option is option C. Okay, is as simple as this. So let's wipe this now and solve the next repeated question. Okay, so next repeated question with this one. It say evaluate correct to two decimal places the arithmetic. So let's bring a calculator. So this is a calculator we have. Let's punch 75.0785 minus 34.64 plus 9.83. So we have it reward. We are correct to decimal places. We have 50.2685. So this 8 after 6 decimal value starts immediately after the decimal point. So this is the first decimal value here is this 2. The second one here is this 6. So this 8 after 6 up to 5. We round it off as 1 and put it to the 6. So the 6 now change to 7. Right option to this question will be 50.27. Alright, so basically the right answer is not here. They did not provide the right answer here. This question has a slight error. So just go for the one that is close to what we have here. So let's just go for 50.28, which is what is closer, not 50.29. Because after 50.27, what you will see next is 50.28 before 50.29. Alright, so the error is from there. The right option would have been 50.27, but let's just go for 50.28 in this case. Okay, so that's it for this question, guys. Let's remove this and solve the next question. So this one says correct this value to 3 significant figures. So as usual 0.002473. So to 3 significant figures start from non-zero numbers. So 2 is the first significant figure, 4 is the second one, 7 is the third one. So this 3 after 7 is not up to 5. So you can't want this those. The right option will be 0.0247. So option C. That's it for this question. Next question is this one. So that before you solve this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. We really appreciate this, guys. Okay, so question C says express this value correct to 2 significant figures. So significant figure starts from non-zero numbers. So the first significant figure here is 4. The second one here is 0. Now note that when 0 is in between non-zero numbers, that 0 in between non-zero numbers is considered a significant figure. Just like in this case, 0 is in between 4 and 7 that are non-zero numbers. So 0 here is also significant. So the first significant figure here is 4. Second one here is 0. So we are asked to 2 significant figures. So this 7 after 0 is up to 5. We round it off as 1 and put it in this 0. So it will now be 0.000041. Right option this question is option C. Okay, next question will be this one. It says what fraction must be subtracted from the sum of what we have here to give this? Okay, for this question, let's solve this, guys. Firstly, put everything in improper fractions. So 6 times 2 give it 12. 12 plus 1, that's we have 13 over 6. Here plus 12 times 2 24. 24 plus 7 give you 31 over 12. Alright, so let's punch this on the calculator. So this is a calculator, guys. We have a fraction a fraction 13 over 6. Okay, plus 31 over 12. So what the output? 19 over 4. Okay, so we have 19 over 4. 19 over 4. Right now, we're going to check. Let's put this one in proper fraction. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 1, we have 13 over 4. So right now, which of these options will you subtract from this value to give you task number 4? That's what it means there. Okay, so let's take option A. So 6 times 1 is 6 plus 1, 7. So right now, let's check 19 over 4. Okay, minus, we have 7 over 6 for option A, improper fraction. 7 over 6. Let's press equals. No? So let's check minus half. It can't be minus half. So let's check. No? Let's check C. 1 whole number, 1 over 2, something as 3 over 2. It has to be this option. Let's verify. It's C, it will give us 13 over 4. Let's verify. You see, so the right option is option C. So that's how I can go about this kind of question. Okay, so let's wipe this now and solve the next repeated question. I'm making progress. So the next question will be this one. It says express this value correct to two significant figures. So to correct this value to two significant figures, remember significant figures start from non-zero number. So let me show you guys. I want to explain something peculiar here. Okay, let me write down the question. We have 1975. So the first significant figure, the second one. Now, this third one is up to 5. Remember, we're asked to two significant figures. So this third one is up to 5. You round it up as 1, put in this 9. When you do it, this 9 will now be 10. There's no way I can write 10. So basically, you take this and put it here. So the right option to this question will be 2000. Alright, now guys, pay attention. Why is it 2000? When you round up values to significant figure without a decimal point, for instance, in this case, now assuming there is point here, okay, the answer to this question would have been just 20. Alright, but since there is no point in this value, so all the numbers will be represented as 0 once you round off. So we have already rounded off. So this 7 will also change to 0. This 5 will also change to 0. That's why the right option is option D, 2000. Okay, very, very important, guys. If you understand this to this extent, I tell you that you won't find significant figure confusing. You always get any question on that significant figure. Once you have understood this point, guys, I tell you that you are good to go with significant figure. So if you still don't understand what I said here, just leave your question in the comment section below. I'm sure to clear you. Alright, so for this question, the right option is option D, 2000. Okay, so let's wipe this and solve the next repeated question. The next repeated question will be this one. It says express this value in the form of x over y, where x and y are integers and y is not equal to 0. So basically, integers are simply positive and negative whole numbers. Alright, they are not fractional in nature. They are basically positive and negative whole numbers. So let's get a calculator and simplify this. So to simplify this value into x over y, so it will be another way you can express 0.612 is 612 over 1000. Okay, the reason is this. Let me show you for those of you that might not really get why it is so. 0.612. Now this is where the point is. So this point, we take it as 1. Replace every number after the point as 0. So that's the idea. Okay, so let's press equal to now, see the output. So we have it in 15 over 250. The right option is what option A. So that's it for this question. Okay, stay, math is interesting and very, very simple. So let's check the last question before I end this video, which is this one. It says correct this value to two significant figures So significant figure starts from non-zero number. So here, the first significant figure here is 4. The next one is 9. Okay, let me explain something again. Let me write this down. Write down this question. 0.04945 to two significant figures. This is the first significant figure. There's a common. This is the third one. This third one is not up to 5. So you can add it off as 1 to this 9. So the right option will be 0.049. Okay, so this is what option D. And maybe in this 4 is up to, let me say what we have here is 5. So it's up to 5. If you round it off as 1 to this 9, it will be 10. You can't put 10 here. So you take this one as round it off as 1 to this 4. So the answer would have been 0.050. Okay, you just stop at 50. This 5 and this 5 here, we no longer replace them as 0, add 0, 0 again, no, because of this point, what I said in the previous question. Okay, because of this point, you not replace the remaining values with 0. Okay, so that's just the idea. This basically can do problems involving fractions, decimals, and approximations in your WASSCE or WASSCE Maths. We dealt with 10 repeated questions under this topic, and I believe that with these questions we practice with, you will be able to solve basically any question you encounter under fractions, decimal, and approximation for your WASSCE Maths. So, learn something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you're new to the channel once more, ensure that you're subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also, like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what you have talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I will ensure to give you a response. Also, ensure that you're part of our channel membership by clicking on the join button to join the community there, where you'll be receiving special information that help to simplify your academic problem and give you premium tips that will help you excel in your external exams like WASSCE and other similar exams. So, having done that, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.